Hey guys, in the last episode we talked about infinite scroll with Pagey and Stimulus.js. So when we hit the bottom of the page, it will make an AJAX request, grab the next page, and render that onto the page. However, if we were to hit the bottom of the page in a browser like Safari, we might make the request multiple times. And as you'll see here, we see the page for 20s and 30s rendered a bunch of times here. And that's because our JavaScript has hit the bottom of the page, but it has actually triggered the AJAX request multiple times. So we've inserted a whole bunch of copies of the exact same pages, and we don't want to do that. So we need a way to basically keep track of whether or not we're loading the next page in our JavaScript. And you can even use this approach to go ahead and display a loading spinner or something like that if you wanted to.